Hey guys, Chris here from Security Bros, back with another review video. Today we are testing another dual lens 180 degrees panoramic PoE security camera from Anpviz. And this is an OEM high vision camera with model number IPC D3886 PDSA. Is it worth buying? Let's find out. So if you're looking for a security camera that can cover a really wide area, then this Anpviz camera might be a good option for you. 180 degrees panoramic view means it will basically record everything that happens in front of the camera, eliminating any blind spots. The image is beautifully stitched together, so you can't really see that it's recorded with two lenses. And I think the image quality at daytime was good, and you can probably identify someone who read license plates up to 10 to 15 meters. Nighttime was good as well, and at closer distances like up to 5 meters, you should have no problem identify people with the correct nighttime settings. The problem at night is always moving objects, that gets a bit blurry. You can also turn off night vision since the camera have a very low aperture, and you can see very good at night even without infrared. Now the camera do have built-in spotlights, however they are only used for alarm light and not for night vision. And since this is an OEM high vision camera, the build quality is top notch. The whole camera body and the bracket is made of metal, and everything feels sturdy when adjusting it. It comes with an IP67 rating, which means the camera is waterproof, and I did some testing by spraying some water on it for a while without any problems. So overall definitely a good camera that is worth buying. And when I record this video, the camera sells for $150 on AliExpress and $136 on Amazon because of Prime deal. I think normal price is $170. And for full transparency to you guys, this camera was sent to me for a review. However, any opinions in this video are strictly my own based on my experiences testing this camera out. And if you're interested in buying this camera, you will find my affiliate links in the video description below with the most updated prices. So this camera records in 4K with a resolution of 4096 by 1840 at a maximum of 20 frames per second. It uses something called AccuSense, which means the camera uses AI to accurately detect and tell the difference between humans and vehicles, which will help minimizing false alarms. You can also set up different smart events like intrusion detection, line cross detection, region entrance detection, and region exiting detection. And this camera is plug and play with Hikvision products, and it needs to be activated using SADP tool when used for the first time. You can download the SADP tool from Hikvision website or Anpviz website. The camera will show up here automatically, and then you need to set a password. After that you can change the camera's IP address or turn on DHCP. It also supports Anpviz, so it should work with most NVRs or software that supports Anpviz. I tested the camera with Anpviz Device Manager without any problems. You can also access the camera using an app called Guarding Vision and get instant push notifications when motion is detected, which you can then view directly from playbacks. The camera supports up to 256GB micro SD card. To use the app you need to log into the web interface and go to Advanced Settings, then Platform Access, and select Guarding Vision and enable it. The verification code is your password, and then through the app scan the QR code and you're good to go. To access the web interface we just type the camera's IP address in a web browser. I will just quickly show you all the camera settings, and if it's too fast you can always pause the video at any time. Okay, let's have a look at some recordings. This is daytime recorded in 4K with the highest image quality at 20 frames per second with audio turned on. Here I am at around 20 meters from the camera, and this is a bit too far to be able to read license plates or identify someone. And at night using infrared lights, also recorded with highest image quality in 4K with audio turned on. And this is at night with night vision turned off. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.